Hi, this is IK Tutors, and we're here to do a high school assessment section decimals, and we're doing addition, subtraction with decimals. Okay. So the requested question is 12. So let's get into it. We'll do question number A, right? So remember that whenever we're subtracting and adding decimals, we have to make sure we line the decimals up in vertical columns. That's so the place values of the numbers will all be lined up because we can only add or subtract numbers in the same place value. All right, so let's begin. Starting on the right column for A, 5 minus 2 is 3, 9 minus 3 is 6. So our answer is 6.3. Next one, B, 0 minus 9. We cannot do that. We have to go to the place value on the left and borrow 1. The 3 is there, so we're going to borrow 1. That's going to turn into 2. And then the 1 turns that 0 into a 10. Now we can do that. 10 minus 9 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now we have 1 minus 2. We cannot do that, so we have to borrow 1 from the place value on the left. That turns a 2 into 1, and that 1 into an 11. So 11 minus 2 is 9. 1 minus 8, we cannot do that. So we have to borrow 1 place value from the left. Turns a 6 into a 5. That becomes an 11 over the 8. And then we say 11 minus 8 is 3. And 5 minus 1 is 4. So our answer is 4.3911. 4.3911. Okay, let's do letter C. 9 minus 2 is 7. 8, we cannot subtract 8 minus 9, so we have to borrow 1 from the 3, turns a 3 into a 2, and an 8 into an 18. Now 18 minus 9 is going to give us 9. 2 minus 2, 2 minus nothing will give us 2, and our answer is 29.7. Okay, now let's do letter D. 6 minus 0 is 6. 7 minus 9, we can't do that. We have to go to the place value on the left, which is 3. Borrow 1 from there, so that's going to turn a 3 into a 2. The 1 will turn a 7 into a 17. Now we can do that. 17 minus 9 is 8. 2 minus 2 is 0. So our answer is going to be 0.86. Okay, let's do letter A. E. 0 minus 8, we cannot do that. We have to borrow 1 from the 5, which is the place value on the left. So it turns a 5 to a 4, and that 0 now becomes a 10. Now we can do it. 10 minus 8 is 2. 4 minus 8, we cannot do that. So we have to borrow 1 from the 6, which is on the left. So 6 becomes a 5, and a 4 becomes a 14. So 14 minus 8 is 6, and 5 minus 1 is 4. So our answer is our answer is 4.62. Now let's do letter F. 2 minus 7, we cannot do that. We must borrow 1 from the place value on the left, so that 5 on the left becomes a 4, and that 2 becomes a 12. Now we can do it. 12 minus 7 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. So our answer is 4.15. And note, everyone, that we're keeping it in the answer, we're keeping that decimal point in the same vertical column in our answer as well. And that's how we're getting to 4.15. Remember to include that decimal point when you're doing these in your answer as well. Okay, now letter G. 7 minus 8, we cannot do that. So we have to go to the left, place value of 4, borrow 1, which turns it from a 4 to a 3, and then that 1 turns a 7 into a 17. So 17 minus 8 is 9. 3 minus 1 is 2, and 4 minus 1 is 3. So our answer is 3.29. And again, we put the decimal in that vertical of our answer right in the same vertical column as the two numbers we listed. Right. H, last one. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 7, we cannot do that. We must go to the place value on the left, which is a 6. Borrow 1. So this changes 6 to a 5. The 1 changes the 2 to a 12. Now we can do this. 12 minus 7 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. And 15 minus 8 is 7. So our answer will be 72.52. Okay, so I hope that helped. If it did, please remember to like and subscribe so we can continue providing these helpful videos. And I will see you in the next video. Have an amazing day.